I ate a pig balls before. So I have some conch here. I have my brother here helping me. So I'm do them 1 year already. And we have, I'm going to show you how we clean the conch. I don't call that the foot.
I don't know if I put the cat. I seal off the shell and the mind of the shell. So the eye. And the eye.
So you cut off what that? The thin layer.
It's kind of like, they know, like the stomach walling. So you cut off these. You just want the muscle. So all them something can come on. You're gonna need them something. So you're pretty. Alright, you're gonna have I'm sure that the belly. I'll cut out the line. So it's that part here now. It's that black line you look on this one. This, you have to cut this and clean it out. So that's you want to get this out right. So after you done clean, see it now? Take it out. And thing I need a whole heap of running water because you constantly have to wash. So this is it. Fat, pretty don't it?
So I have already diced some. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I get them to this size. So we have it here. Just going to cut it in half. Once more, so total of 3. Then start to cut from here. Like that. It doesn't have to be perfect size, guys. You just want to, you know, ensure that it is cut. Right, this is it. So I'm going to add some white vinegar. That's the last of it. I'm gonna add some water and rinse. I'm gonna add some blend seasoning, and the seasoning contains onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, pepper. So go ahead and add. We're going to add some sweet peppers, otherwise known as bell peppers. I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning. Some Maggi fish seasoning. And this seasoning contains salt, so I'm not going to add any salt. I'm going to add some extra onion. Well, onion is already in the blend seasoning, but I'm going to add some more. Going to add that. Gonna add some garlic. Also gonna add some curry too. And then I'll mix, incorporate all these seasonings. Okay, last but not least, the hot peppers. I'm just gonna head and slice that up in. Alright, so I'm just gonna use that for now, and then if anything I'll add more. So just go ahead and add that in. Guys, I want to smell it. It smells really nice, guys. Just take a look at that, all colorful and all, and it's not yet done. All right, so I'm just gonna leave it here to marinate. Add some vegetable oil. I'm gonna ensure that the pot is hot, and then I'll add the additional curry to the pot. The oil is hot enough, so I'm just gonna add some more curry. I'm just gonna go ahead and ensure that the curry is burnt. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it there, ensure that the curry is burnt. The curry's been burning for some time. I'm just gonna go ahead and add the conch. Smell this. I'm going to go ahead and add some water. And it normally takes up to 1 hour to cook. I'm just going to go ahead and let it simmer for some time, and I will update you guys. Meantime the conch is being cooked, I'm just gonna go ahead and dice the potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and slice some carrots. That should be about it. Just gonna go ahead and add some more sweet peppers. Gotta add the rest of the onion. Going to add the scallion. And I do have piece of okra. I'm just gonna add some okra as well. Okay, that should be it. I do have some coconut powder here. I'm just gonna mix the coconut powder I'm gonna use all of it. Cut that creaminess, guys. That's the one thing I like about Kendall coconut milk. It is creamy. Alright, so I'm going to add the seasoning to the conch. Then I'm going to add the coconut milk. Ooh, look at that. I'm just going to go ahead and incorporate all of this. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some more blend seasoning as well. Then I'm just going to let this come to a boil. Stir it.